Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with a new video today. And in today's video we are going to review the Scotch Brite Super Saver Pack, a Mega Saver Pack from Scotch Brite. So this is a Mega Saver Pack from Scotch Brite where we get 3 stainless steel scrubbers and 6 scrub pads. So this is the Mega Saver Pack from Scotch Brite. Now let's start off with the review of the product. First of all, you can see the Scotch Brite branding right on top of the packaging right here, and then it says that you get 3 stainless steel and 6 scrub pads in it. This is a Mega Saver offer pack. The actual M.R.P is Rs 165, but because of the Mega Saver pack, the M.R.P of this product is 105 rupees. So in rupees 105, you get 3 stainless steel scrubbers plus 6 scrub pads. Moving on to the back side of the pack. Now let's see what are the benefits of this. These scrub pads from Scotch Brite, they last longer, definitely longer, like over a month it will last you. They do not rust. The stainless, because they are made of stainless steel, it does not rust. It's also gentle on your hands and it doesn't cause bruises in your hand and stuff while using it because it doesn't have those sharp edges. So that is the good part about it. That's the benefit of the Scotch Brite stainless steel scrubbers. Moving on to the net quantity, we get 9. The net quantity that we get in the Super Saver pack are 9. Basically 3 stainless steel scrub pads and 6 normal scrub pads you get in this. Moving on. This is a product from 3M. 3M is a very popular brand and Scotch Brite is a product from 3M. So now let's go ahead and open the product and look at the quality of the scrub pads and the stainless steel scrubber. So I have a scissor here. I'm just going to cut it open. And here we have open one pack, of which we'll just okay. So here is a scrub pad that you get. This is a scrub pad which you can use to scrub the vessels and normal vessels off. And then you have 6 of these. Basically you have 6 of these scrub pads, the S-shaped scrub pads from Scotch Brite. And then you have a stainless steel scrubber as well. So this is a stainless steel scrubber that comes. You can see it's really soft on the hands, so you won't have bruises on your hand or anything. And like it is very nice and dense. The stainless steel scrubber is very nice and dense, you can see. And very gentle on the hands so that it doesn't bruise your hands. That's a good part of it because it has smooth edges. But it is very effective on the utensils to get rid of all the oil and grim on it which has been stuck. All those hard to remove stains will be easily removed using this stainless steel scrub pad from Scotch Brite. So you get 3 of these and you get 6 of these Scotch Brite scrub pads, which is an amazing offer for just rupees 105. So this is an amazing buy here, the Mega Saver pack from Scotch Brite, because you are generally gonna need it. So why not buy it in bulk, right? And keep it when you can buy it cheaper. So guys, if you are looking to buy the Scotch Brite Mega Saver pack, the link to the product is in the description below. You can go ahead and purchase it from Amazon and you'll get even more discounts on that. So yeah, like I think this is very useful. At my home, my wife has been using it and it has been very useful, and it very easily gets rid of all the oil and grim on the utensils. Makes washing in utensils quite easy. So it's a very good product from Scotch Brite. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.